open your browser. Go to python.org/downloads. From the page, download the latest version of Python. Save it. Double-click the installation file. Check the box saying Add Python to Path. Then click Customize Installation. In the Optional Features tab, make sure you check all the options. Click Next. In the Advanced Options tab, check the box saying Install for all users and Precompile standard library. Optionally, you can change the installation path, but it is recommended to keep the path as it is. Click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once your setup was successful, go to search bar, type Python. I am typing printf hello world to make sure Python is installed properly. You can also access Python interpreter in graphical user interface. For that, go to search box and type Python IDE. I am just typing a hello world to show you a demo. You can also access Python interpreter from the CMD. By typing Python and hitting enter. Now you are in Python interpreter. Here also I am typing hello world. So these are the three ways to open Python